In the past, if you wanted to learn something new, attending a school or taking classes was the only option available. However, times have changed dramatically. Today, you can enjoy the same learning experience from your own home. Not only are major universities offering their full programs online, but experts are also creating and sharing their own courses. With so many resources available just a few clicks away, you can save a lot of time and money. 1. Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform that provides access to over 55,000 courses across various topics, including technology, productivity, health, hobbies, and lifestyle. Classes are available at multiple prices, starting at $10. Additionally, Udemy offers some free courses that you can explore. Unlike Skillshare, Udemy does not have a membership system, and you have to pay for each course you take. However, the platform offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on every purchase, which means you can get your money back if you are unsatisfied with the course. Overall, Udemy is an excellent resource for online learning. 2. Coursera. Coursera provides online courses from more than 140 of the country's leading universities and organizations. It has collaborated with prestigious institutions such as Duke, Stanford, Johns Hopkins, and others to offer universal access to the world's best education. You can find over 2,000 paid and free courses on Coursera and official certifications in over 180 fields, including business, accounting, data science, entrepreneurship, and more. These courses are ideal for learning various subjects' fundamentals and theoretical aspects. Therefore, if you're interested in learning such topics, Coursera is the perfect platform for you. 3. edX. If you're looking for higher education courses, edX is like Coursera. It offers classes from over 120 educational partners, such as Harvard, MIT, Berkeley, the University of Maryland, the University of Queensland, and many others. You can find various courses on edX, including language, computer science, psychology, general biology, marketing, and more. It's an excellent platform for high school-level education and earning university credit. The credits you receive are official credentials from the institution, signed by the instructor, to verify your achievement. 4. Linda is an educational platform for professionals with over 6,200 courses in business, technology, and creativity. Sign up for a 30-day free trial plan, but remember to cancel it before the trial ends to avoid charges of $20 for basic or $30 for premium membership. Reactivate feature is available to restore all your account data. 5. Codecademy. Codecademy offers free courses on 12 different programming languages, which include HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Python, PHP, Ruby, and more. Although it is a free resource, the courses could be more in-depth and will not teach you how to solve complex problems. However, it is an excellent platform for exposure to various programming languages. Each course has several coding exercises to practice right inside your browser. I recommend using Codecademy for practicing purposes only. If you want to experience coding firsthand, this is a great platform to get started. 6. Open Culture. If you're looking for high-quality educational content that won't break the bank, check out Open Culture. They offer a library of 300 courses with over 45,000 hours of audio and video lectures, all completely free. The courses are organized alphabetically by category on a single page, which makes searching for them easy. Many systems come from prestigious institutions worldwide, such as Yale, Stanford, MIT, Harvard, and Berkeley. In addition to the courses, Open Culture offers 700 free audiobooks, 1,000 MOOCs, free certificate courses, 800 free ebooks, 200 free textbooks, and much more. 7. Tuts Plus. With over 28,000 tutorials and 12 on 60 media courses, this platform offers an extensive range of learning resources. New courses are added every week, making it an up-to-date source of knowledge. The courses cover a wide variety of topics such as design, illustration, code, web design, photo, video, business, music, audio, 3D, and motion graphics. Unfortunately, the platform does not offer a free trial, but the membership is still affordable at just $29 a month. 8. Udacity offers 200+ free online courses and affordable paid courses, nano degree, for students who want to learn high-demand skills. Courses include Android, iOS, data science, artificial intelligence, web development, and more. 9. Allison. It is a platform that offers free, high-quality courses, education services, and community support to 10 million students worldwide. You can choose from over 1,000 free courses designed to provide a certificate and diploma-level education. Allison has designed their resources to cater to anyone looking for a new job, promotion, college placement, or a business venture. It's important to note that only some courses will provide a free certificate because most charge a small fee. You need to score at least 80% on assessments to receive a certificate. However, if you fail, you can always retake the assessments. 10. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is an entirely free platform offering educational courses from Class 1 to college tests like the SAT. It is intended for those who want free education and can't afford the membership fees. You'll find video courses on the same, whether maths, science, arts, economics, or any subject. Like other sites offering paid subscriptions, Khan Academy is free. They don't even have ads and subscriptions to earn any profit. Their only source of income is via donations, which people will pay for free education. You can sign up as a learner, parent, or teacher to get started. 11. Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community that provides access to thousands of video classes and tutorials on various topics. From cooking to freelancing to website building, Skillshare offers a wide array of classes to choose from. The types are presented in a detailed video format ranging from 10 minutes to over 6 hours, allowing you to quickly resume where you left off. If you're interested in trying Skillshare, they offer a 60-day free trial plan that grants you access to their premium courses. However, if you don't plan to continue using the service, cancel before the 60 days are up to avoid any charges. I am excited to share my 11 favorite educational websites for online courses. Have you tried any yet? I can't wait to hear about your experiences. Wishing you success. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you loved this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, stay healthy and stay fantastic. See you in next video.